Joyce Heron Reintegradoeg-Balak, born March 21, 1978, popularly known by her screen name Joyce Jimenez, is an American-born Filipino former actress. In the early 2000s, Joyce Jimenez was dubbed Pantasya ng Bayan, or the nation's fantasy, after doing sexploitation films that did well at the box office under Viva Films. She worked with serious actors such as Richard Gomez, Albert Martinez, and Jo Mari Ilana. Later on in romantic comedies with Piolo Pascual and Dieter Ocampo under Regal Films. In 2003, she was cast in Pine Pie with Ai Delis Alas and Asunta de Rossi under Star Cinema on her second film with Jose Javier Reyes after her pairing with Aga Mulak in Narinig Mo na Bayan el Est. After her retirement in film and her regular television work for GMA Network at the time, she decided to go back to Los Angeles after marrying and starting a family. Her Everbelina brand Private Joyce disbanded in 2006. Joyce Jimenez was born in Los Angeles, California to Philippine migrant parents. Her full name is Joyce Heron Reintegradoeg-Balak. Jimenez grew up in the Los Angeles area, where she studied at Bishop Amat High School in La Puente, California. She was accepted at UCLA, but decided to forego schooling to move to the Philippines. Most recently, she had a college degree from a university in Australia. In 1996, Jimenez participated in the Miss Taguig Hollywood pageant. Although she did not win the title, she did win the Miss Photogenic title. Jimenez started to venture out from films and into business. She owns Skin Private Joyce, which specializes in bath and beauty products. She also opened a lingerie line Private Joyce Intimate Collection partnership with Everbelina Cosmetics Inc. Jimenez married Filipino-American Paul Ilieg-Balak from Vallejo, CA on August 23, 2008 at Walnut, California, and on October 16, 2009, Joyce and Paul welcomed their first baby girl named Joria. On September 29, 2008, Jimenez suffered serious injuries in a car accident in Urdaneta City, Pangasinan, coming from a Baguio taping for ABC TV5's Philippines Scaries Challenge. Avoiding a truck, her Toyota 4Runner flipped 4 times and was totally wrecked when it rolled over in a rice field. She was treated at the Urdaneta City Sacred Heart Hospital and transferred to Medical City, Pasig. Her legs were badly injured. She had minor bruises, had to wear a brace on her neck, and had minor stitches on her face. For more interesting personalities, please do watch our other Who's Who series. Please like, share, and subscribe. Welcome to the spectacular world of 1,000 vlogs.